Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the phone is active and noting the battery percentage. This matters because some phones auto-limit options under critical levels. Once done, open Settings and search Battery to jump straight to Power options, which saves time. Make sure to identify whether Ultra Battery Saver is a toggle, a profile, or a separate app. If you see a dedicated profile, tap it to expose controls. If it's a toggle, you're one tap away from disabling it. Do that now. Once the feature is visible, toggle Ultra Battery Saver off and watch how background activity and connectivity permissions return. That explains why apps resume updates. Next, go into App Settings and verify any restricted apps. Grant background activity to those you need, because Ultra Mode often freezes push notifications and sync. Then, make sure Wi-Fi, mobile data, and sync are re-enabled if they were turned off. This sequence restores normal performance. You finish by confirming the battery icon and settings reflect normal mode. Check a few key apps for notifications and background refresh to verify. If things still act restricted, reboot the phone to reinitialize services. This often resolves lingering limits. Should problems persist, reset battery or power settings, install any pending OS updates, and back up important data before performing deeper resets. That troubleshooting path fixes most edge cases and explains why each step matters. State, restart, then reset if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.